The Industrial Energy Efficiency Initiative is a collaboration framework between the government and the industrial companies of Ras Al Khaimah to ensure that those companies find new ways of achieving a higher energy performance.
Industrial energy efficiency initiative is really an integral part of what RAKZ is doing and embedded in Ras Al Khaimah all across. It's all about energy saving and sustainability, and really putting this not only within our own government entities, but also helping and assisting our companies and manufacturers that are within our industrial zones to really also fulfill that energy efficiency initiative program embedded in their operations and their energy saving and sustainability initiatives themselves. Well, you know, this is really a space that's very important to us, and we've started early on in terms of sustainability and energy initiative programs. RAKZ itself has actually transformed, for example, 9 of its buildings into energy and efficiency programs, with putting green building materials, doing water and utilities and electricity savings initiatives. Today, we've managed to reduce our power consumption by more than 13 million kilowatts per hour. We've managed to reduce our water consumption by more than 10 million gallons, and really giving us a savings of nearly more than 7 million dirhams in terms of our energy efficiency saving programs.
RAK Ceramics is one of the largest ceramics manufacturing company in the world. As you know, that producing ceramics is a high intensity energy consumption. And therefore, with our vision and the Ras Al Khaimah vision on reducing our emission, we invested in the best machineries and the latest technology in order to reduce the gas consumption. We succeeded during the last 5 years in reducing almost 30% of our consumption in electricity, gas, and we are proud that 100% of our water waste has been recycled and reused internally. In our manufacturing process, we use gas, electricity, and water. We established a cogeneration power plant where we are using the heat from the exhaust in order to reuse it in the drying process. And therefore, the heat recovery was a pillar in reducing our energy consumption. We've been able successfully to launch a fully recycled product, which is among the first companies in the world. We were among the first company where we invested in sustainability, and we launched a project of capturing the CO2, where we'll be able to reduce 50,000 ton the carbon. We are happy that the Etihad Railway already launched during this year. We are proud to be the first company which we send from here containers or our products by the rail to Saudi Arabia. For sure, with all the investment and research in reducing our energy consumption, this led us first to be one of the most efficient company in ceramics manufacturing around the world. We are happy that we already started a lot of activities and we are proud, I believe, as a manufacturing, as one of the largest manufacturing company in UAE is supporting the Year of Sustainability. We are doing whatever possible from our side in order to support the vision of the Ras Al Khaimah government and the UAE carbon reduction.
Seven Rock goal is to optimize our energy consumption and minimize our environmental impact by achieving reduction in power, fuel, and water consumptions across all our sites. One of the projects that Steven Rock implemented was the down the hill conveyor. It measures approximately 8.4 kilometers. It generates kinetic energy that is converted and fed back into the grid. In addition to the kinetic energy conversion into power, it also reduces the number of trucks needed to transport material, which reduces the CO2 emissions generated by the trucks. It also reduces the traffic of heavy vehicles on the road, which should result in the number of incidents or accidents that may happen. We have decided to retire a sizable portion of our old heavy equipment on site in order to use latest technology such as Tier 3 and Tier 4 engines in the machines. These machines should reduce the fuel consumption and also CO2 emissions into the atmosphere. Water conservation is an important element in our operations, so we have introduced water recycling plants to treat the waste coming out of our labor accommodation camps. This is currently being used, the final product, for irrigation to water our landscaping around the site.